What are design rights? Design right is a legal right which arises from the appearance of the whole or part of a product, resulting from the features of, in particular, the lines, contours, colours, shape, texture or materials of the product, or its surface decoration. Design right comes in two forms: unregistered and registered. What is the difference? Well, it is as the name suggests. One has to be registered and the other doesn't. In legal terms, the difference lies in the type of protection you receive. What do you mean, the type of protection? The type of protection you receive will mean the length of time you get for protection, and in certain circumstances, whether or not the person who uses a design like yours has to have copied it to infringe. Oh, and if you want coverage in the UK, then there are two types as well: UK and community design rights. Okay, tell me about unregistered design rights. Like copyright, unregistered design rights arise automatically. As long as the design work is original and meets all the criteria, then you will qualify for design right in your product. Design right in the UK comes in two types. The UK right lasts for 10 years from the end of the first year in which the product was put onto the market, or 15 years from creation, whichever is the shorter. In the last 5 years of the right, if somebody wants to, they can have a license of right, as long as they do so on commercial terms. Basically, someone else can make your product if they pay you. The design has to be original, and in order to prove infringement, there has to be some form of copying by the person concerned. The community unregistered design right only lasts for 3 years, but it does have the advantage of covering the whole of the European community. Once again, the right to prevent the commercial use of the design only arises if the use results from copying. So why is registration better? Two reasons really. Firstly, you don't have to show that anybody has copied your design if there is an infringement. Secondly, your registration can last up to 25 years if you want it to. There is a cost, but it is minimal. The process is also quite simple. Below is a flowchart showing the procedure for a UK design application. There is a process whereby anybody with an interest can object to the grant of the design, but there is no formal opposition process. What do I do next? You can contact Neil Head Rapson on 0191 281 4000 or nhr@macdanielslaw.com.